Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss powder. To begin, sea moss powder is a fantastic superfood, packed with nutrients. Start by incorporating a small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, into your daily routine. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply blend it into your favorite smoothie, juice, or even just a glass of water. You can mix it into both hot and cold beverages, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Beyond drinks, sea moss powder shines in culinary applications. Try stirring it into your favorite soups and stews to boost their nutritional value. It also works wonderfully as a natural thickening agent for sauces, providing a smooth consistency. For a healthy twist, blend it into salad dressings or even bake it into breads and muffins. Its mild flavor makes it a seamless addition to many recipes. When it comes to dosage, a typical serving size ranges from 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea moss powder per day. However, it's important to listen to your body and adjust the amount based on your individual needs and preferences. Consistency is key. Incorporating it daily will help you experience its full benefits over time. Always consider consulting a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Sea moss powder offers numerous benefits, including supporting healthy thyroid function and aiding digestion. It's renowned for containing 92 of the 102 essential minerals your body needs. For optimal freshness, store your sea moss powder in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Always ensure it's thoroughly mixed into your food or drink to avoid any clumps and enjoy its full potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.